Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your VW Jetta headlight bulb using an easy method. This simple process can save you time and money. First, ensure you have the correct replacement bulb, often an H7 or 9006/HB4 type, and a pair of clean gloves. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely before you begin. Now, let's get started by popping open your Jetta's hood and securing it firmly with the prop rod. Look behind the headlight assembly. You'll see a round, black dust cap. This cap protects the bulb. Gently twist this cap counterclockwise until it loosens, then carefully pull it straight off to reveal the bulb and its connector. With the cap removed, you'll see the old bulb. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling. Next, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn and pull it straight out. Now, wearing gloves, insert your new bulb, aligning its tabs with the housing, and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Finally, reattach the electrical connector. Almost done, carefully place the dust cap back onto the headlight assembly, twisting it clockwise until it feels snug and secure. This cap is vital for protecting your new bulb from moisture and debris. Once the cap is on, you can close your vehicle's hood. The final step is to turn on your headlights to ensure your new bulb is shining brightly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.